Okay, this is the strum pattern for Yellowbird, the strum accompaniment. The strumming pattern is a Latin strum. That's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, like this on an F chord. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, I'll play the tune through once and I'll call out the chords for each bar. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, F, C7. F, 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 C7. F, B flat, F, C7. F, B flat, C7, F. Let's do that once more together. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, F, C7, F, 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 C7, F, B flat, C7, F, B flat, F, C7, F. Okay, practice that until you can play it smoothly, and then perhaps play along with the video of the melody so you can hear how the strum and the melody go together. Happy strumming.